This video is brought to you by Specdtuning.com. On this video installation guide, we'll learn how to install projector headlights for a 2007 to 2010 Yukon Denali. We can begin today by taking off the front grille. After the hood is open, we'll notice that there are 6 red arrows pointing to each screw. Please remove all the screws. We can now come around to the wheel well. As we notice inside the wheel well, there are 2 bolts. These bolts hold together the fender and the bumper. After the 2 bolts are removed, this will loosen the front bumper. Once it's pulled down slightly, it will expose the 1 bolt that holds down the corner of the headlight. Once the hidden bolt is removed, we can come around to the inner part of the headlights. Now we can finally take out the 2 bolts that holds down the headlights to the fenders. Once that's done, please repeat this process on the opposite side. We can now gently pull the headlights out, exposing the backside. Please unplug the harnesses that hold down the light bulbs. Now that the harnesses are unplugged, we can now simply take the headlights out. If you notice in the back of the headlights, there's a wiring and socket combination. That's required for your brand new projector headlights. Please remove the sockets as shown here. Now that we have the stock wire sets in hand, we can take the driving light socket, remove the light bulb from there, find the negative wire. Find the negative wire on your brand new projector headlights for that particular socket. Make sure that the negative is aligned with the negative. After it's plugged in, we can then take the headlights back to its original location. Before putting the projector headlights back into its original location, please make sure that the harnesses are plugged back in. Once that's done, you can go ahead and replace all the bolts that we removed from earlier. We can then start by putting back the top bolt, then the inner bolts, and the corner bolt, then to the front bumper bolts, to hold down the bumper and the fender. Now finally, to the front grille. Please replace all 6 screws. Your Yukon Denali projector headlights are now complete. Please check all lighting before taking your vehicle out on the road. Thank you. Thank you for choosing Specdtuning videos to assist you. Please visit Specdtuning.com for more products.